LKB for ISO tubes, LKB2 for DIN tubes, and LKBF for flange connection. Two types of actuators are available, LKLA and LKLAT. The difference between these two is that the LKLAT can be fitted with a top unit. This video focuses on LKB2, LKBF and LKLAT. The LKB butterfly valve controls product flow through a tube. LKB is either operated by means of compressed air using the LKLA or LKLAT actuator, or operated manually by means of a handle. When the valve is operated, the valve disc is either closed or opened. The LKB valve and LKLA actuator are characterized by easy maintenance, long service intervals, strong, reliable actuators, and optimum design with high-quality seals and valve disc. In order to prevent adverse process stops, the customer must service the LKB valve and the LKLA actuator regularly. This video will demonstrate how these products are dismantled, serviced, and reassembled. The following will demonstrate the maintenance of an LKB2 valve. Fix the valve with actuator in a vise. Loosen and remove the upper screws and nuts. Remove the actuator. Loosen and remove the lower screws and nuts. Remove the valve body half. Take out the valve disc with seal ring. Remove both bushes from the disc stems. Take off the seal ring. Lubricate the seal ring. Fit the seal ring on the valve disc. Fit the bushes on the valve disc stems. Fit the valve disc with seal ring in the valve body half. Fit the other valve body half. Fit the lower screws and nuts. Fix the valve in a vise. Fit the actuator on the valve. Fit the upper screws and nuts. Tighten all 4 screws with the torque value specified in the instruction manual. Supply compressed air to the actuator and open and close the valve a few times to make sure it operates smoothly. Fix the valve in a vise. Loosen the screw in the handle. The maintenance of this valve is the same as the maintenance of the LKB2 valve with actuator. Fit the handle on the valve and tighten the screw. The design of the handle makes it impossible to mount it the wrong way. Loosen and remove the lower screws and nuts. Loosen the upper screws and nuts. Remove the valve and actuator from the pipe system. Remove the upper screws and nuts. Remove the actuator. Pull out the flange seal rings. The maintenance of this valve is the same as the maintenance of the LKB2 valve with actuator. Fit the flange seal rings. Use a screwdriver to remove any air trapped behind the flange seal rings. Fit the actuator on the valve. Fit the upper screws and nuts. Fit the valve with actuator to the pipe system. Fit the lower screws and nuts. Tighten the 2 screws fixing the actuator to the valve. Tighten the other 4 screws with the torque value specified in the instruction manual.